You saw the guy?
Yes.
Yeah, he passed, didn't he?
That's good.
Good. Right, go on, off you go when you're ready.
Okay.
What's the date today?
Today's 26th.
Right, this is Chiemela. Chiemela, we got his driving test. First time with me. Failed a couple of times before, but not with me, so hope you're going to get a pass on me.
Definitely.
Good, he's going to pass today, yeah? Right, go on and get yourself away when you're ready.
Okay.
Now when you get in the car with the examiner, just put that in there, okay?
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
When you're ready. So we turn left at the end. Keep tight left though. That's it. And then at the end of the road we're turning right. Speed up, because that car was behind, wasn't it? You had to be careful, you need to build your speed up. Now if you take the second road to the right, that one's the first one. It's the first one. Can you just pull up on the left for me? No, I just want to go back to that junction a minute. Did you see the white car coming there?
Yes.
Right, well, probably I would have waited there. I wouldn't have pulled off. But once you've moved off, what should you have done straight away? When you moved off, what should you have done? You should have built your speed up more and got away from this car that was coming from you, from here. So if you move up and you see a car coming, build your speed up a bit quicker, yeah? So don't pull up and just drive really slow. Build your speed up straight, but don't slow them down, okay? We're going to do the emergency stop. Can you tell me how you do it?
You march
Control
down.
stop.
Okay. You come to a stop, match the brake fully, and then match the clutch.
So push the brake firmly to the floor.
Down, match the brake.
Good, right, let's have a go of it when you're ready. So I'm just going to raise my right hand and shout stop, okay? Straight again. Stop. Right, tell me what do you do when you stop? You drive on when you're ready. Good. So when you stop, look, you're going straight again. When you stop, put your handbrake on, put in neutral. Okay, and then you say thank you, drive on when you're ready. Got that?
Okay, I will say thank you, driver.
Sorry?
I will say thank you, driver.
No, just
okay.
say, no, he will say thank you,
Okay.
drive on when you're ready.
Okay.
Pull up on the right hand side of the road. Yeah, it was all good, just push the brake right to the floor, yeah? Good. And then reverse back to car lengths. And you would stop for cars coming that way, wouldn't you? Yeah?
Yes.
Good. That'll do. Drive on when you're ready. And at the end of the road, turn left. Could you demist the back window? Don't stare, turn it off. Demist the front one. Turn it off. Don't stare at the one. Good. And then at the end of the road.
So the AC on is this way?
No, no. You want the AC on?
No, I just wanted, because can you demister without the AC on?
At the end of the road, we'll do this first. At the end of the road, turn left.
Okay.
And then we're turning left again. Right. What was your question, sorry?
I was asking whether you can demister without the AC on.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So you press that button there.
Okay.
Yeah. That one's the front, that one's the back. Now, can you show me how you'd open and close your window? Good. Can you show me how you'd put your dipped headlights on? That's it. 2 clicks to the right. Turn them back off. Could you show me how you'd clean the front window with the washers and wipers? Good. And the back window. Twist it towards you. Switch these off. Twist it, that's it. Good. And sound the horn. Good. Does your wife know that who knows that you got your driving test?
My wife.
Just your wife?
Children.
What did they say? Good luck?
They say good luck that I will pass.
Well, I hope so, yeah? Great, yeah?
Yes.
I need you to focus and concentrate. Have you got that? And read that road. Give him a lovely smooth drive. And then left again, yeah? Left again. That's it. Then reverse into a beer. That's the worst one I've seen you do.
Seriously.
Yeah, you normally do them really good.
Very
don't you?
good and straightforward.
Yeah.
Very straightforward.
He's normally perfect at beer parking.
Perfect.
Proper perfect. Proper mint. Remember to look over your left shoulder also. Yeah. Right. Do you want another go at them, or you're okay? Are you okay with that?
I think here now.
Yeah.
I said,
Are you okay with reversing into a bay? Do you want another go?
it's okay like this.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm saying, do you want another go at it? Would you like another practice? Are you okay with it?
I think I'm okay. I usually okay.
Yeah, you usually do these perfect, right? Good. And how would you check them?
You use the a suitable gauge.
Nice.
So
Tell me how you check your tyres have sufficient tread depth.
you go out and check, touch it around and see that it has no bulge or cut.
Mm-hmm.
Then in between the meter, the center should have a depth of 1.6.
Wow, good stuff, yeah. Right, it's time to wish Chiemela'S
Yes.
the very best of luck.
Thank you very much.
He's got the skills to do it. He needs to drive smooth and read the road. He's got to keep his eyes moving. And he should be fine, shouldn't you?
Yes.
We want no heavy braking today. And we want manoeuvres. We want to be looking all around the car. I just want you to read that road and give him a lovely, smooth drive. And don't forget what you do when you do second to first.
Yes.
Keep it to the left. Have you any questions before I turn this off?
No question.
Really safe driver. He just has to prove it to the driving examiner, don't you?
Yes, I will.
Yeah, you're really gonna.
I'm
Good.
confident I will.
You're confident?
Yes.
Excellent. Right. You're chuffed.
I am.
Happy, very
Yes,
happy.
very, very well. I'm very
Back
happy.
off test.
Yes, this is my certificate. UK driving, here I come.
You got 3 minor faults. One for going in, turn right a bit early, moved in a bit early. Can you remember?
Yes, in a roundabout.
One for
Before the roundabout.
one driving a bit slow.
Yeah.
What was the other one?
Do I remember?
I think it was
Well, there were 3.
something to do with the signal. Yeah? Can't remember now.
I can't remember. But one was for driving slow,
Yeah.
one for moving in early, because I'm supposed
Yes.
to turn to fourth roundabout,
Yeah.
leaving short exit. But
Mhm.
I turned to the right early.
Yeah, you went to the right early.
Early,
Yeah.
yes.
He found me on YouTube, and he'd had a couple of tests before, and to be fair, he wasn't really ready, were you? He wasn't really ready for a test, but he's had a few lessons with me. He's worked really hard, and he told me he was going to pass this today, didn't you?
Yes.
He says, I'm going to pass today, and
I'm
he's done it.
confident.
The examiner's very happy, so well done.
Thank you very much.
You've made my idea.
Thank
Good
you very
stuff.
much. You are adding so much value. I got to know him through the YouTube program. So I looked at them. I said, So I did 2 tests before now, and I failed. I said, no, I need to get somebody who really knows what it takes to pass this. So I contacted him, and luckily he agreed to train me. And today it's a done deal. I'm so happy. To God alone be all the glory.
Well done. Well done.